Whenever I ask teachers what they need or ask them how I can help, time is the request that I get most often. So that's what I'm going to give you with this 3-minute tech tip. Last year, Google delivered some magic with several beefy Google Classroom updates. One of those updates allows you to create a class template for next year by making a copy of this year's class. So the first step is to copy your class. You'll start by clicking the vertical ellipses, the little 3 dots here, and then copy. When you copy your class, any information here, along with class topics and posts like assignments, questions, and materials, will be in the new class. So what I'm going to do is just change this where it says copy of to template. Then I'm going to leave the rest of this blank and press copy. Now this might take several minutes depending on how much you have in your class. So I have one already created in this new tab here. What you should notice is that people didn't copy. Also, announcements don't copy it either. I'm going to go back to the classwork page now. Now, in order to make this a template that I can reuse over and over again, I might want to rethink the order of my topics here and what I want included. So if this was going to be the starting point for each class, how would you want it arranged, or what would you include? Now, of course, you'll be able to make changes to this in the future, but it would make sense if you're using this as a template to make your changes here, and then you can make multiple copies when you have it fine-tuned, and that will save you a lot of time. As an elementary teacher, I might set this up by subject. So this might be math, this might be ELA, or maybe I would set it up by large projects that we work on. As a single subject teacher, I might have these organized by unit. Maybe I would have materials up at the top, and then I might have Unit 1, Unit 2, and so on. So really, you can set them up however works best for you and your students. And then, once you have it arranged as you want, just go back to the home page of classes. You could make a copy for each period, or you can save it there and you'll have it for next year. If you're an elementary teacher and that's your 4th grade class, you can make a copy every year for 4th grade. All you do is click that copy button and then rename the class and copy. So this will be a huge time saver for some people. You might think about how you could pay it forward. Many of you will be having new teachers at your grade level or in your subject area. And what a time saver and a help it would be for them if you made them a copy of this class. So you can do that by making a copy, and then you can add them as a teacher under people right here. And then once you've invited them as a teacher, you can turn over ownership to them. So I'm going to attach a help doc on how to do that to the notes under the video. Okay, I hope